Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're heading to Target. It is January the 28th, and these deals run to February the 3rd. As always, my deals are all digital. That's right, you're just using your phone to save money, no clipping coupons. Now, in this video, I got 10 amazing items for only $13. That's right. Only $13 for 10 items. Now, I did want to share with you that at the end of this video, I did give a little testimony, and I wanted you guys to listen to that. So please make sure you watch towards the end of the video for the testimony. It is one that I'm sure that we all need in times like this. So the testimony is there towards the end of this video, and it helps me a ton when you watch my videos all the way through. As always, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. No need to write any of these deals down. You can either print it off or you can just pull it up on your phone to take in the store with you. If you love all these deals and all the things I'm bringing to you, please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. It helps me to keep bringing these videos to you every single week. Let's get started. I wanted to start off by showing you some really awesome Ibata rebates. And this is on some Valentine's gifts. Now, I believe that these boxes at Target are about $5.99. But I didn't pick them up, but I want to show you there are Ibata rebates out there for Valentine things. In my family, my kids have gotten bigger, so we've moved past from buying the little class sets of Valentine's to buying like two or three little gifts for their friends. And this is just a good little deal on these. So you'll get $1.25 back if you buy these at Target. Now this is another goodie. I never get this because we don't carry these at my stores. But this is the good probiotic milk. It's free after the offer from Ibata. So usually $4.49, but it will be free. So good little freebie to pick up using your Ibata app.
So I was really excited to show you this deal on the Cepracol. Now this Cepracol, not Cepracol. Cepracol is going to be where your throat lozenge items are, and my store's out. So they're usually $3.29, but let me show you the deal just in case you do have the Cepracol at your store.
So you're going to pick up two boxes of the Cepacol. They are $3.29 each. Your total at the register is going to be $6.58. Now, on my Target app, there is a 15% off on the health and immune care items. So 15% off is about 99 cents for both of those boxes together. Then, because you are buying two boxes, you're going to get back a $5 gift card that you can use on your next purchase. So, with that 15% off and that $5 gift card that you're going to use in your next purchase, your total is going to be 59 cents or about 30 cents per box. Great deal on this. Always like to stock up on items like this as well. And I will tell you, buying like Hall's cough drops and Cepracol are one of my favorite things to put into blessing bags because it isn't like you're giving them like a medicine, but putting that in there, that is probably a needed thing for people who are in need. And it's also such a cheap item. We're only paying 30 cents for these. And if you don't use it, I'm sure you can put it in a blessing bag or give away to the food bank. They're always in need of items like this. All right, so Swiffer duster kits. These are $6.29. I think at Walmart they're cheaper, like $5.99. I don't know for sure. What you could do is you could price match, and Target will honor that, but I totally forgot about it when I was checking out. So what you do is you pull up the Walmart app. You could scan it and pull it up in Walmart app and then show the person at the register. If you're doing self checkout, they'll come over for you and adjust the price. So it'll make it cheaper. But I'm not sure the price. I didn't do it. But just let you know they are cheaper at Walmart. So do try to price match. So $6.29 is what I paid for them. This is the 5 count. I use Swiffer dusters for almost everything. Like I use them in my car. I use them on all of my computers. I'm a technologist, so I'm constantly wiping a computer down. We use them in our house all the time. So this is like a go-to item for us with cleaning products. So $6.29 on the Swiffer Duster kits, 5 count, and then there is a high valued $3 coupon on the Target app. So with that high value $3 coupon, your total on these are going to be $3.29, or it'll be cheaper if you do the Walmart price match. Next item is the Finish Jet Dry. These are $4.69. I always stock up on these when I have coupons for them. So $4.69 on this. Now, on the Target app, there are two coupons. There's a $2 and a $3. I attach both of them on accident, but the $2 came off. And that's fine because I'm sure next week there'll be another deal on finished products and I'll use the $3 off next week for something else. So $4.69 on these. Taking $2 off makes them $2.69. Also, make sure you check your Ibata app because there may be a rebate on the Ibata app. We usually do have finished products on there, but I don't have any right now. But $2.69 for the Finish Jet Dry. Now, this is a Febreze deal, a really good coupon, $2.30 off. So these are $3.29 each. These are the cheaper ones. And using this $2.30 coupon on the Target app, it's going to make these just 99 cents. But the good thing about this coupon is you don't have to use it on the aerosol cans. You can use it on the little kit, like little spaces thing. I don't know what it's called. I think it's called Febreze Spaces. You can use it on any of those type of free Febreze products, plugs, any of those things. So you don't have to just use it on the aerosol if you don't like aerosol. But people at my work like these, so I buy them to put in the bathroom for everybody. But $3.29, $2.30 coupon makes them 99 cents. Good deal on this Febreze spray. So we have a ton of Airwick dispensers that plug in the wall. Get those for free all the time, but never have enough refills. People ask me for these all the time. And they're a little pricey. So $5.99 for the 2 pack. I love the essential oil one. And $5.99, there is a high value $3.50 Target coupon. So with that $3.50 Target coupon, it's going to make these refills $2.49. So the next two things I want to show you are some cat food and dog food. Now, these are not special sales or deals or any of that. And I did not list them on the printable breakdown, but I just wanted to give you an example of some things. No matter what you are doing when you are out shopping, let's say you're not out couponing, you're just getting groceries. Always, always, always scan your Ibata app to see if there are any offers. And whatever store you're in, if you're in Food Line, if you're in Target, if you're in Kroger, whatever store you're in, make sure you look to see if there's a digital coupon. Always do it because savings is savings. All right, so on this right here, this wasn't something I was going to show you, but I needed some cat food. We were out of cat food, and if you bought 4 containers of it, I saved $1. So that was a big deal for me. Like always saving money, no matter if it's 50 cents to $1, I'm going to do it. Same thing with this dog food. Now, I don't have a dog, but I wanted to show you. So if you needed dog food, if you were to buy, I believe, 6 of these Caesar wet dog foods, you would save $3. So always, always, always scan your Ibotta no matter what. You never know what deals are on there because there's so many deals. There's hundreds of deals on Ibotta. There's hundreds of coupons on your app. So always check when you are buying groceries, when you just run the store to grab a couple things. Don't miss out on savings because if I were to bought these two products, I would have saved $4 easy just by scanning the items and then submitting my receipt. So that's my little tidbit of knowledge for you today. So I'm trying to do a little bit better about snacks. I'm not a big snacky person, but we do get hungry, and this is a great thing. So when you do get hungry to curve that hunger, these protein bars. So these are in the refrigerated section, like where you would find your produce. These are the perfect bars. They're $2.59. Now, on the Target app, there is a 40% off when you buy these perfect bars. So if you bought one, they're $2.59. Um, the 40% off, which is high valued, is going to take off at the register $1.04. So it's going to leave you to pay $1.55. That's a good deal. But what you're going to do next is you're going to submit your receipt to Ibata, and there's a high valued Ibata rebate for $125 back. So with the 40% off, which is $1.04, and the $1.25 back from Ibata, it's going to leave you to pay 30 cents for these bars. That's a really good deal. Also, my store didn't carry these, but these are the perfect layers. And these would be in the same section. So what you would do with this one is you would pick up two of the perfect layers. They are $2.48 each, but they'll be $4.96 at the register. Again, you're going to be able to get that 40% off on each one. So about 40% off is about $1.98 off. So at the register, you're going to pay $2.98 for both bars together. Then you'll submit your receipt to Ibata for $2.48. That's going to leave you to pay 50 cents or 25 cents per bar. So the Venus razors, this was a decent deal. These are $5.99. And what's going to happen is we're going to take 10% off. So at the register, it's going to take 59 cents off at the register on these Venus razors. Then there is a $3 coupon on the Target app. So with that $3 coupon and that 10% off, it's going to leave you to pay $2.40. Now, I didn't do any of the, buy four, get a $5 gift card. I didn't do that, but this is one of the items you could do if you were able to get other ones. I just didn't do a whole lot of gift card deals in.
I got a little story time for you. So this might tug at your heartstrings just a little bit, but that's okay. So I'm about to head into Target and coupon for a little bit, so excuse this. But one of the things that my daddy always said to me was anytime I did a good deed, I was kind, he always would say, "Oh, you get another crown in heaven. Another crown in heaven, another crown in heaven." And it would drive me crazy because I was like, Daddy, I don't do things, or you don't do things because, we're trying to build up all these crowns in heaven, right? And so, I think about that all the time. And you guys know, if you've watched me before, that my dad, recently passed away, from an overdose. And so a lot of the things that he said to me really bring up, emotions and feelings and memories. And you would not realize the impact we have on other people by the small, tiniest acts that we do. And so, yes, it would drive me crazy when he said it, but I miss it dearly. Every day I miss hearing him saying those things, and I'm like, I don't do these things for accolades, but, just being a good person. And so, I'm at the stoplight, and usually, I give out blessing bags because that's something I know tangible. There's something that someone can take away who's in need. So these people, may be in need, and I'll give out blessing bags, and there's always like a Bible in it, clean socks, some toiletries, a snack. We do the Ensure drinks, because that's like a meal replacement, so that can be something someone can have. But I don't have any of those things with me. I'm in a different car today. And, I never have cash. I dig in my wallet real quick, and I was like, okay, I have $3. And it's $3, right? I spend more than that on Starbucks all the time. And I hate to give out money to people who are in need. I'd rather give them things, but that's it. That's all I had. And I haven't seen anybody and out lately because it's so cold. But, I can just hear my daddy. You get another crown in heaven. And I handed this guy like $3 through the crack of the window, and it's nothing. And I hand it, and he's got the sweetest demeanor, and I can see his hands, clean and everything, and he looks great. But it's expensive out here. Like, things are costly. And, most people are one paycheck away from being homeless because just everything just costs so much. Like, you can't even get a rental nowadays. I'm constantly seeing people post online about rentals and stuff. But anyways, so I gave him $3 and I could just hear Daddy, oh, another crown in heaven, another crown in heaven. But it wasn't even stuff like that. It would be things, just kind things. So then I drive up to turn into Target, and it's busy. It's Sunday afternoon. You know, everybody's out and about getting their errands done, and there's a line of people trying to turn left and out of Target. You know, and I'm trying to turn left in Target. So, of course, I have the right of way because I'm turning left into Target. And I can just hear my daddy again, like, you know, you let these people go, you get another crown in heaven. I'm not doing it for that, but, you know, and it's nice. It's nice to stop at that intersection and to know that, you know, let these people have the right of way. They've been sitting there for a while probably, and I wave them on. Go, 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 go. But those words of his, he wasn't necessarily saying you're getting the crown of heaven. He was just saying, keep doing the good things you do, no matter how small it is, no matter if it's just letting someone turn because they've been sitting there a while, or telling someone they look nice, or, you know, it's so impactful. And one kind thing leads to another kind thing. And that was his big story. You know, even though Daddy had demons and he hurt and he was an addict, I know that he is sitting in heaven with all his crowns. And I can't wait to see him one day, on that glorious day where I get to see my daddy. And him say, good job for continuing to build this kingdom, to continue to build this kingdom of heaven, and continue to build these crowns, and to show people, because I'm not a Christian for myself. I'm a Christian because I want others to be a Christian. I'm a Christian because I want to build that kingdom with others. And to show one person after another, those kind deeds lead to something else. And to continue to do them, no matter how small they are, no matter how big they are. It's $3. It's letting someone turn in front of you. But those are some of the most important things you can do. And the next time you are questioning, should I do this or not? Just remember, you get another crown in heaven. So, I hope that helps you, because it helps me to tell you guys this stuff. And, I hope you have a beautiful Sunday and rest of your week. And let me know in the comments, let me know in the comments your crowns that you are getting, into heaven, because I want to rejoice and know that those kind deeds that you do are being spread. So, all right, bless you guys. Thanks.